Welcome. This video will guide you through accepting Apple Pay on your Squarespace website using Stripe. As of December 2025, this integration offers a seamless and secure payment option for your customers using Apple devices, enhancing their checkout experience on both web and mobile. We'll cover the setup, key concepts, and best practices to ensure a smooth integration. Apple Pay integration on Squarespace relies on Stripe's Payment Request API, which enables customers to make payments directly from their Apple devices using Touch ID, Face ID, or Apple Watch. This creates a seamless checkout experience without redirecting users to external payment pages. The Payment Request API handles the technical interaction between your site, Stripe, and Apple Pay, creating a native payment sheet on compatible devices for secure transactions. Domain verification is a crucial security step where you prove ownership of your Squarespace site to Stripe. This involves adding specific DNS records to your domain, preventing unauthorized integrations, and ensuring trust in the payment process. Tokenization replaces sensitive credit card information with a unique, secure token. This process happens through Stripe and the payment processor, reducing fraud risk by never storing actual card details on your site. PCI compliance ensures your payment setup meets industry security standards. Stripe handles most of the compliance requirements for you, but maintaining this certification protects both your business and your customers' data. Apple Pay works primarily on Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches. For broader compatibility across all devices, consider integrating Google Pay as an additional payment option alongside Apple Pay. First, if you don't already have one, sign up for a Stripe account at stripe.com. Then, within your Squarespace Commerce settings, connect your Stripe account using the provided API keys, both the publishable and secret keys. This links your Squarespace site to your Stripe account, allowing you to manage payments directly through Stripe's dashboard. Next, navigate to your Stripe dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your payment settings and integrations. Go to Payments in the left navigation menu, then select Payment Methods. This section lists all available payment options you can enable for your store. Find Apple Pay in the list of available payment methods and toggle it on. This will activate Apple Pay for your website transactions. You'll be prompted to verify your domain. Domain verification is essential for security, as it confirms your site ownership and prevents fraudulent integrations. Squarespace typically automates this process through their system, but ensure your domain is correctly listed and verified in your Stripe settings. To integrate Apple Pay on your Squarespace site, start by adding a Stripe payment block to your page. This block connects directly to your Stripe account and enables payment processing. Alternatively, ensure your e-commerce product pages are set up to accept Stripe payments. This includes product listings and checkout pages where customers will complete their purchases. Customize your checkout flow to clearly display Apple Pay as an available payment option. This allows customers with Apple devices to see and select the Apple Pay button during the checkout process. Finally, ensure that HTTPS is enabled on your Squarespace site. This provides the security required for Apple Pay integration and protects customer payment information. Testing your Apple Pay integration is crucial to ensure everything works smoothly. Start by using Stripe's test mode, which allows you to simulate transactions without real money. In test mode, use dummy card numbers like 4242, 4242, 4242, 4242 to simulate payments. This helps verify that the payment flow functions correctly. Next, perform test purchases on an actual Apple device, such as an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, using the Safari browser. This ensures compatibility with Apple's native payment system. Verify that the Apple Pay payment sheet appears correctly when customers attempt to pay. The sheet should display securely without redirects. Watch for any error messages during testing, such as issues with domain verification or unsupported browsers. These indicate problems that need fixing. If the tests pass without errors, your Apple Pay integration is ready for live transactions. When integrating Apple Pay on Squarespace via Stripe, you may encounter common issues such as domain verification failures and browser compatibility problems. To troubleshoot, first double-check your domain verification in the Stripe dashboard. Second, ensure your Squarespace site is secured with HTTPS to prevent verification issues. For best practices, regularly monitor transaction logs in Stripe to identify any disputes. Ensure compliance with GDPR regulations, especially for European users. Finally, keep up with Stripe's latest security features, such as Radar for Fraud, to enhance protection. Digital wallets are rapidly evolving, transforming how customers make payments online. Mobile payment adoption surged 35% globally in 2025, with Apple Pay capturing 40% of U.S. mobile transactions by the third quarter. These trends are driven by post-pandemic preferences for contactless payments and seamless user experiences on devices like iPhones and Apple Watches. Looking ahead, expect AI-powered predictive payments, where systems anticipate customer needs and suggest optimal payment methods. By 2027, Apple Pay could integrate installment options based on user history. Stripe forecasts that by 2030, 50% of global e-commerce transactions will use digital wallets. This growth will include expansions into emerging markets and wearable technology. However, challenges like privacy concerns and competition from Google Pay could impact growth. On the positive side, hybrid models combining Apple Pay with crypto options are emerging, with Stripe already testing support for stablecoins. To optimize your Squarespace store, stay informed about these trends and provide the best customer experience. Consider integrating hybrid payment options as they become available.